Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. St Peter's Hospice, that blue label, recognise that. Cost me £1.49. A rotating merry-go-round. I did a merry-go-round kit the other day. A little bit more detail in it, but that one didn't rotate. This one's got an electric motor. Probably should have got a little tray to put it on so we don't lose the bits. Okay, first put that on there. Right, that's on. Battery box. I will probably solder these eventually, but we'll do it the way it describes first, which is just put them through. It shows the red one on the right. Just flick them up so we can get to them. I have it in mind that I may actually make this solar powered eventually. Next, one of these and one of these gears. They look like they're identical. I suspect we can work out the exact position later. Right, take the base. Okay, it works. Yeah, okay. Well, so say I think I may look at possibly solar powering it. But for now, that's it. Job done. Let's put the bits in the bag, spare bits. That's nice that we got a spare gear, a couple of spare little washers. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and of course we got a screwdriver. Yeah, I think the battery box sitting there is a pretty poor bit of work. They could have lifted it up and have the battery box underneath. And if I can find a suitably sized solar panel, make it solar powered. On the subject of solar power, sun's just gone in, perfect timing. Are you going to get enough sunlight? There we go. So what I think I'll do is I'll just transfer that solar panel across to there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.